Hi, it's Walter with mycameragrip.com, and I'm back in the mycameragrip.com testing laboratory, and we're here to test the threaded insert on one of our base plates. I printed a plate with no walls or grip. It does have the Arca-Swiss clamp, whatever, and it has a threaded insert that you can see down in there. And so what I'm going to do is put some weight on this hook and see what it can handle. Let's put this up here. Okay. And I get my scale, and it should hit 0. Okay, so here goes. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, it didn't hold, but that was like 168, I think I saw. That's okay, we're done. Thank you.